So hey, hello guys. So Gartner is hiring for data analyst role for Gurgaon location. So here is the exact job role and roles and responsibility for this job. So if you are interested for this job, you can get the apply link in our YouTube description. Or else if you are watching this video in Instagram, you can get the apply link in our bio section, guys. So here is the exact detail what you are going to do in this job role and what are the skill set and required for this job role. So they just clearly mention it's for a experienced candidates, kind of 1 or 2 4 years of experience in business analytical sites, or also if you have an graduation in kind of engineering or else mathematics or stats relevant education qualification are needed for this job role. And they clearly mention the technical skills they are required for kind of advanced knowledge in Excel, SQL, and Python. So are the mandatory skills for this job role, and they just seen some additional bonus skills as kind of business analytical tools and you just need some basic tech skills and soft skill for this job role, guys. So if you're interested to apply this job, you can get the apply link on our YouTube channel description, guys. So see you soon in next video, guys. Bye.